Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to use Mixkit lower thirds in Premiere Pro. First, navigate to the Mixkit website and explore their extensive collection of free lower thirds. You'll find hundreds of options, so take your time to choose the perfect one for your project. Once you've selected a lower third, simply click the Download button. These files are typically small, often under 5 megabytes, ensuring a quick download process. Next, open your Premiere Pro project. Go to the Window menu and select Essential Graphics to open the panel. At the bottom right of this panel, you'll see a small icon that looks like a box with an arrow pointing down. Click this icon to install Motion Graphics template. Browse to where you saved your downloaded Mixkit. Migit file and select it. Premiere Pro will then add it to your local templates. Once imported, your new lower third will appear in the Essential Graphics panel under the Browse tab. Simply drag and drop it onto your video track in the timeline. You can easily adjust its duration by dragging the edges. With the lower third selected, the Essential Graphics panel displays its customizable properties. Here, you can change the text, select different fonts, and modify colors to match your brand, all with just a few clicks. Beyond basic text and color, many Mixkit lower thirds offer advanced controls for animation speed, size, and even shadow effects. Experiment with these settings to achieve a polished look. Always preview your changes to ensure they integrate seamlessly with your footage. Once satisfied with your lower thirds and the overall edit, proceed to export your video. Your professional lower thirds will significantly enhance your content, adding a touch of professionalism.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.